guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you guys my 4-month lock journey. If you haven't seen my 3-month video yet, I'll put a card in the top so you can check my 3-month video. So in month 4, I've noticed some changes, and that is less frizz. So let me bring you a little closer. Alright, so the frizz is less, which I'm very happy with, because as you know, this, if you've watched my other video, this is my 10th set of braid locks. Yes, I said it, 10 sets. And the reason why I kept taking them out in month 2 is because the frizz was too much for me to handle. This is the first time I made it to 4 months. Usually they come out by month 2 because the frizz. But from last month to this month, as you can see, the frizz is so much less. And I only twisted the root, so the frizz became very, very minimal. Because in month 1 and month 2, I just couldn't take it. Month 3, I was considering for it to go. So what are the changes that I've seen? Volume, it got thick. When I put it in a scrunchie now, I can feel the thickness. And the thickness is more at the root. The ends are still thin, but the thickness is like this part of the hair. Like, let's say this was it, I can feel it from this part, and more the root, more so the root. Another thing, I found some hacks on YouTube. YouTube is a great place, trust me. I found some hacks on YouTube about being able to rock the fuzzy stage. I don't call it the ugly stage, I call it the fuzzy stage. I've matured. So what I do is, if you follow this line right here, picture an imaginary line all the way down to right here. I palm roll it. I palm roll it. That's how I do the front. Now the back is all interlocked. So this is palm roll, all this, all palm roll, and the back is literally interlocked. And I only interlock it once a month, so I don't really touch the back. The front I do twice a month. This hairstyle will last me about 2 weeks. So I go 2 weeks with my hairstyle. I wash my hair now every 2 weeks. I used to do it every week, but now I'm trying to jump to every 2 weeks so I can keep the styles in longer. And I use simple things. When I do my hair, I have this that I bought on Amazon. It's a interlocking tool. It looks like this, and I used it to interlock the back of my head. And I use this, the Lock and Grow. Simple, nothing special. And I use my regular handy dandy clips. And I sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes with cool air. I don't like heat on my head, so I'll use cool air or the light heat, and that's how I do it. But I'm loving it. I'm loving the fullness. I'm pretty sure you can see the difference between the last video and this video. The thickness, the fullness. And this style, all I did was flat palm roll. I twist the front last night. I styled it, and then I made braids, and I took the braids out this morning before I went out. I counted how many braid locks I have, and the number is 186. So I have 186 locks, baby locks, and I can handle that. I don't think I could handle any more than that, because this is already taking me a minute to do. But the good thing about locks is, if I'm doing my hair, I can do the front and leave the back until I'm ready for the back. So there's no rush to have when you have this hair. You can easily wear a hat, rock it out, or you can style the front and never touch the back like I did right now, because there's still no room to interlock it. There's still no room in between. But yeah, so that's the update that I wanted to give you guys. The volume is getting thicker, and my hack that I use right now is I'll palm roll the front and interlock the back. And that's my 4-month braid lock journey. Thank you guys for following this journey with me, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, lock up.